The 2026 Porsche Cayenne is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power, prestige, and innovation that redefines performance and luxury in one striking package. The exterior of the 2026 Porsche Cayenne reflects an aggressive yet elegant character, combining muscular design with aerodynamic precision. Under the hood, this powerhorse boasts a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering up to 470 horsepower, ensuring blistering acceleration and refined control. From the front, the Cayenne's wide grille and signature Porsche LED matrix headlights give it a fierce, unmistakable identity. The bumper design has been reshaped to enhance cooling performance and visual width, while the daytime running lights feature a 4-point LED signature for a bold road presence. The wheels, now available in 20 to 22-inch alloy designs, contribute to both visual appeal and enhanced road grip. Moving to the side, the smooth body contours and sculpted lines speak to Porsche's dedication to form and function. The side glass is slightly tinted for privacy and UV protection, perfectly framed by sleek chrome lining. The back of the Cayenne features a new light strip stretching across the tailgate, connecting the taillights in a seamless glow. A sporty roof spoiler and updated rear bumper with integrated exhausts further emphasize its performance DNA. The door handles are body-colored and flush with the surface, popping out electronically, adding a futuristic touch. Every angle is designed to captivate and command attention, whether it's cruising in the city or powering down the highway. Step inside the 2026 Cayenne, and you're greeted with a world where technology meets sophistication. The dashboard is minimalist yet futuristic, with a 12.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster that provides customizable driving data in real time. At the center sits a 12.3-inch high-resolution LCD infotainment screen, offering access to navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fully integrated voice assistant. The side doors are wrapped in soft leather with ambient lighting strips that can be personalized to your mood, while built-in speakers ensure a surround sound experience. The gear selector has been redesigned into a sleek toggle, placed intuitively near the steering wheel to free up space. The start-stop button retains its iconic position to the left of the steering, staying true to Porsche tradition. The steering wheel is multifunctional, leather-wrapped, and now features touch-sensitive controls with haptic feedback for easier access to menus. The front and back seats are finished in premium perforated leather, with multiple massage modes and memory settings to ensure maximum comfort on long drives. Rear passengers will love the luxury of the foldable table between the rear seats, perfect for holding tablets, snacks, or even work laptops. Cargo space is generous, with over 770 liters available with the seats up, ideal for family road trips, shopping hauls, or adventure gear. Whether you're in the front or back, the Cayenne offers a lounge-like environment that balances comfort with cutting-edge design. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne starts at approximately $84,000 for the base model, with higher trims pushing into six-figure territory depending on configuration, packages, and engine options. For the level of engineering, luxury, and performance you get, it's a worthy investment. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne brings sports car DNA to the SUV world with unmatched style, tech, and driving thrill for all road types. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on premium car reviews, only on Turbo Excel. Turbo Excel.